Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to see how we can download and install MySQL in our computer. MySQL is an open source relational database management system, and to download MySQL we have to go to the site mysql.com, and inside the site we have to go to the download section, and then we have to scroll down, and at the bottom we have the link called MySQL Community GPL download, and the GPL stands for General Public License. So we have to click on that link, and then under the MySQL Community Downloads we have the link called Mysql Installer for Windows. So we have to click on that, and then we have two versions, one for web community and one for installer. So I'm going to download the offline installer, so click on the download button. Now it is asking to log in or sign up, so I'm going to click on no thanks, just start my download, and you can see the download has been started. So once the download has been completed, we have to go to the file and right click on the file and then click on install, and then we have the security warning, so click on run, and the file is preparing to install. And then we have the MySQL installer, and here it is asking to choose one setup type. So I'm gonna choose the developer default, and then click on next, and then click on execute. Now the installer is downloading all the required files, so I'm gonna click on agree and install. After the successful installation of Microsoft Visual C++, then we have to close that. So click on next, and then click on execute. Now it is downloading and installing all the required files in our computer. So once all the files have been installed, then we have to click on next, and then again click on next. So here we have the TCP/IP port and so many other stuff, so we're not gonna make any changes. So I'm gonna click on next, and then here it is asking to have the authentication method, so we're gonna use the default setting and click on next. Now here it is asking for the password, so I'm gonna enter the password, and then again we have to repeat that password, and then click on next, and we're gonna keep the default setting and click on next, and then click on execute. Now here it is applying all the configurations to our database, and then we have to click on finish, and then click on next, and then we have to click on finish, and then next, and here we have to put the password that we have entered earlier. So I'm gonna put the password, and then click on check, and you can see the connection has been successfully made. So I'm going to click on next, and then we have to apply all the configurations, so click on execute. So after the completion of the configuration we have to click on finish, and then again click on next and click on finish. So this is the way we can download and install MySQL in our computer. Now we're going to open the MySQL command line client, and from here we can execute all our SQL commands. So first of all we have to enter the password, so I'm going to enter the password and click on enter, and here we can execute the SQL command. So I'm going to execute the command show databases, and it is showing all the available databases. And also we can create our own database, so we have to write the command create database, and then the name of the database like my database. And now if we just write the command show databases, and here it is showing our created database, my database. So this is the way we can download and install MySQL in our computer, and we can use the command line to execute all the SQL commands. So hope this video helped you. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.